Are you tired of wasting time searching for information across scattered documents, email, and tools? What if I told you there's a platform that centralizes all your team knowledge in one easy to access place? Welcome to Guru. For instance, imagine you are a part of a customer support team handling dozens of queries daily without a centralized knowledge base. You would have to manually search for answer or rely on outdated resources. Here, Guru simplifies all of that and help you focus on delivering exceptional service. Now, Guru is a knowledge management platform designed to help teams capture, organize, and share information very effortlessly. From onboarding new employees to supporting customer interaction, Guru has everything you need to streamline knowledge sharing. Hi, my name is Ron, and today we are diving into Guru. Let's get started. So, first of all, let's talk about the pricing because this is going to play an important role here. Here we have three plans. The first one is a free, all-in-one, and the last one is a custom, right? Depending upon if you have a large team and a big enterprise, you can go for the custom. $15 is basically one plan we have here, right? And this is a free plan. So obviously you can just come to this website. You have to let me show you. Just go to Google, search for Guru Knowledge, or just type Guru here. You will get to come to the website. Now click on sign up for free. Here I'm going to use my Google account because it seamlessly integrates very easily without wasting any time. Click on continue. Oh, so we have to add a working email. I guess we have to create from here. Now once you give your email and password, click on create account. Now this is the email which you're going to get. Now here, once you have verified your email, just go and click on create a new organization. So we have to create an organization here. Then inside we can just create our own projects and everything. Right, so you will get the very first thing, welcome to your group trial. Just go and click on get started, right? It will just give you a short trial here. Let me close this up because I'm going to give you, obviously if you're watching this video, I'm going to show you each and everything here. Now this is the dashboard. Now here you can see there's a lot of stuff. On the left side you can see this is just our organization we just created, right? And here below home, as you can see, home or dashboard, whatever you can say this, it's available right now here, right? All this information, all this Canada, what is happening in your organization, everything will be shown up here, right? But these are the samples, right? These are the pages, just that so that you can just go and view it, you can check it, right? Now you can see here, this is one of this page is your home base for all your important new hire, all your important new hire. Now click on announcement. So this is just a short intro they want to give you, right? Read the news, you can need to know and let your team know what happened and everything, right? So you can just keep exploring and find information. Okay, let me just close this up. So you can see here, obviously this is very cool thing because it gives you all this what is happening inside your office and kind of something like that related to news in a news format, right? So these are the samples, even though maybe in your dashboard it would be not there, or if it is there, let me know in the comment box, obviously. Now here you can just go and click on new page. Let's say I will just write here filex news, right? And here, let's have add this emoji. Click on create page drop. Now watch this video to learn how to get started with your custom page. After this, you can share, for example, I'm the owner, I can add my team member or whatever they are, right? And in that, I can just give them permission, right? So here you can just do it. Now, first of all, you can just go and click on edit. This is a banner. So let's say I want to add a banner here. Now, let's say I want to put these as a banner. This is just an example, right? And this is a banner, right? It's not looking good, but anyway, now here you can see here this is an announcement bar. So for example, announcement will appear in this area. This block will only shown when user have 100 announcement. Okay, that's why I'm not able to edit this part, right? Now this is recommended for you. This section will show group card recommendation for each user, personalized based on the activity and role. Okay, that's nice. Now here I can just go and click on page style. I can change the background color, right? Let's say I just put it as a red here. Oh, this looks really bad. Okay, now if I just put as a black. Okay, so you can just put whatever you like, and this is a three dots here. This is a page settings and page permission, right? Everything same here. Now this is how you can do, and you can just go and click on publish. Now you can publish with your whole internal team here. Now everything, every news will be get depending upon what's the recommendation and how they watch it, right? So this is really nice. Now there's a 50 cards. Okay, we will talk about the cards later. Now this is my library option. But before going to the my library, this very important thing which is called, a Guru AI powered search and integration make it easy to find information quickly and streamline workflow. So use the search bar to find cards, keywords, tags, categories, and everything, right? So you can search it from here. It enable browser extension to access Guru content directly from tools like Slack, Salesforce, and Zendesk. So set up automated workflow to push updates or reminders to your team, right? So how to search for, so basically it's really easy. You can just go here, and here you can change it. For example, change knowledge agent. So this is really AI. Let's say, tell me about, let's say this is just an example, so I will just go and click on here, right? And okay, so this is how it works, although the information is not correct anyway. Okay, it just showed me one of the card which was available here. That's nice. Now, if you want to create a card on your library section, on the top right side corner, you can see there's a plus icon. Now, here you can just go and click on create a new card just from scratch, or you can just use AI or template. So, for example, here I can just create my own template here, or let me close this part, and from here I can just go and click on create a new card, right? So, just to create a card here, I will just write here hello, right? And I'll just write here test card. So card is something just like a page, so don't get confused, right? But it is just like a Word document, right? And here I'm just going to click on close it. Now this was the draft here, and then a card will show up here to every team member. They can search it directly from here. Now this is a task section. So from the task section, I can just go to here, and these are some of the templates, right? SOPs and everything here, right? This is an unverified card, so you will get it here, right? And this is auto archive, whatever auto task you have which you have archived will show up here. There's an announcement bar, so what is happening in your inside your company will show up here. Right? Just like an email, right? The inbox, send, schedule, mention, and everything. Now this is an AI training center, so use this search bar to ask a knowledge agent a question. And yeah, so this is really good. From here we can change the agent. Same goes from here, right? As we know, this is a type of AI. So for example, all knowledge agent, and if I just go and search, I can directly search Guru or all AI, knowledge, and that's really nice. So for example, I want to check what's the sources. I can also integrate with Salesforce and Slack and everything here. This is an analytics tool, so it will show me the exact data. I can even export it out. So it's take a few seconds to load here. Right, this is a group impact strategy, pages, and verification and knowledge usage. Right, for this I just need to upgrade it up, but for now, only in the trial access I can only use some of the features which is available. Now this is a card manager. Let me just go to the card manager. So the card manager is really easy because really important. So it's easy to manage because all the card which we have created, you can see here, these are just a samples, right? And we can manage from here. For example, we can delete it, we can verify, and we can change the owner, right? And whether we want, whether it's related or not. So in that way, we can just change. For example, let's say this is a company objective. This is one of the card. This is one of the sample card which is created, right? And here we can just go to the follow, share, or for example, I can just save it, right? I can add a comment, or I can even edit it, and I can just make it completely new. So this is really easy, and all inside the collections, all the cards which you have made, although you can see here there's a lot of cards, all these cards are pretty, the basic structure which are available in almost every company. And this is just a sample so that it can give you complete information about how Guru can be used in so many ways, right? For example, this is a payroll payment system, so you can see here we use online payment system uh, as things like payroll, time of open enrollment, day one, and already so many users, right? So your employees doesn't need to just go. I mean, whoever manages them. So once you put it in the group, they are able to get on board very easily, and that's really interesting. Right, so this is it. So Guru simplifies knowledge management by helping you organize, access, and share information seamlessly. With these steps, you will save time and empower your team to work more efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more productivity tips. And thanks for watching this video.